Oh, wait. Oh, it's the new armor. Oh, it's the new armor. One's collector and one's new. It's black. It looks exactly the same as collector. It's just black. What? Yeah, I'm gonna bring you some spear knives. I need to make some AP for spear. Oh, and the shotgun. It looks way better on the thing. Oh, I got the shotgun. How the fuck do you reload it? Oh, you have to put it in one at a time.
Let's test it out. Trying to figure out how to load it. Pressing B rotates the chamber.
Oh, this takes so long to load this shotgun, bro. What?
Runs out way too fast.
$12 rounds that shotgun holds.
Much better with the sight. I like it. Tell me if you think I should run it on silo.